Hello guys and welcome back. So in this lecture I will explain how to remove duplicates from a table. So this is very simple guys. Once we have data into table, okay, so first select any one cell in this particular table. So then once we are selecting any cell in this particular table, go to data tab. In this data tab, under data tools group, we have option called remove duplicates. Just click on this option. Automatically it will give one dialog box. In this dialog box we have selected all, unselected all, and data has headers. Okay, so if you remove this my data as a headers option, it will consider as a this is also data. So in that case we are selecting this my data as a headers option. Okay, so and also if you want to only remove duplicates from the city wise and state wise also is possible. Just uncheck these options. So in my case I need both city and state wise remove duplicates, so that's why I'm selecting these both options. Okay, once we are selecting these options, click on OK button. Automatically duplicates are removed. See here, once duplicates are removed, it will give this message like 2 duplicate values are found and removed, 8 unique values are remain same. Okay, these are the unique values, these values are remain same. Okay, so and also I will show you one more example. See here we have customer data, region, order date, sales, month and year data. I want to extract only unique records on this region wise. Okay, these type of scenarios we are using these advanced options. Now I will show you how to use these advanced options in these scenarios. Okay, so just press this advanced option. See here we have option called copy to another location option. Okay, just copy this option. Okay, select this option. Then we have list of options are available. In this case first it will select list of range. Okay, list of range means this region range, we need to select this option. Okay, then we have another option called copy to option. So it means on which location you want to extract unique values, so select that cell range. So I'm selecting the cell range. Once we are selecting this cell range, finally we need to check these unique records only. It means if you select this option, it will extract only unique values are presented in this particular region column. Okay, so I am selecting this unique records only option. Okay, click on OK button. See, automatically unique values are get extracted in this location. Okay, so like this we can use remove duplicates option in Excel tables. Okay, so that's it guys. Okay, thank you.